Hi guys, in this lesson we will learn about comparison operators in C Sharp. So let's get started. First operator we'll learn is less than operator. The less than operator returns true if its left hand operand is less than its right hand operand. Otherwise it returns a false value. In this example, if we check 8.0 less than 4.2, it will return false because 8 is not less than 4.2, whereas in the next example where we compare 0.0 less than 4.2, it is true. Similar to the less than operator, there is a greater than operator. The greater than operator returns true if its left hand operand is greater than its right hand operand, false otherwise. So in this example, 8.0 is greater than 4.2, so it will return true. And in the next example, since 0.0 is not greater than 4.2, it will return a false value. Then we have got less than or equal operator. The less than equal operator returns true if its left hand operand is less than or equal to its right hand operand, false otherwise. So if we see the same case where 8.0 less than equal to 4.2, it will return false. 0.0 less than equal to 4.2, it will return true because 0 is less than 4.2. Similarly, we have got greater than or equal operator. The greater than equal operator returns true if its left hand operand is greater than or equal to its right hand operand, false otherwise. If we compare 8.0 greater than equal to 4.2, yes, it will return true, and 0.0 greater than 4.2 will return false. Then we have got this equality operator. The equality operator, which is noted by a double equal sign, returns true if its operands are equal, false otherwise. So if we check 8 for equality with 4, it will return false. Obviously, they are not equal. But if I check 4 equality operator with 4, it will return true. Finally, we have got this inequality operator, which is noted by not equal to sign, which is sign of exclamation and equal to. The inequality operator returns true if its operands are not equal. Otherwise, it returns a false value. So if we check 8 not equal to 4, obviously it will return true. 4 not equal to 4 will return false because 4 is equal to 4. So let's put all this together in a program. Let me quickly launch Visual Studio. Again, I will put the link in the description to download it from GitHub. So let me paste the code in the main method. Let me execute the program first and then I will explain each line of code with the output. The output should be displayed in a console window. So let me just readjust the window so that you can see everything. So first one, what we wanted was display a message less than operator. We can see that message. So here we check 8 is less than 4.2. So obviously it is false. When we check for 4.2 less than 4.2, the result is false because 4.2 is exactly equal to 4.2, so the result is false. Similarly, 0.0 is less than 4.2, result is true because it is less than. And we have got all the other operators. Let's go through less than or equal to. So 8.0 is less than equal to 4.2, the result is false. 4.2 is less than equal to 4.2, yes, it is less than equal to 4.2. Couple of things to note here in terms of equality operator. So what we have done here is we have defined one integer here, and which is 4 plus 3. So it automatically does the computation and assigns the value to the variable. So here it assigns value 7 to a, and we have initialized another variable b with value 7, and we check a equal to b, and the result is true. And when we go to the next set of tests, we have defined a car type variable c1, which is lowercase a, and another car type variable c2 with uppercase a. And if we check c1 equal to c2, the result is false, because lowercase character a and uppercase character a are not equal, because C# is a case sensitive language and they have got a different ASCII code. And let's go to the next operator, which is the inequality operator. So here we initialize variable x with 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 7, and another variable y with value 6. So when we check x not equal to y, the answer is true because 7 is not equal to 6. In the next set of statements, we initialized two string variables, s1 which is equal to hello and s2 also equal to hello, and we check if s1 not equal to s2, and the result is false because they are both equal. And finally, we have got this console.read key, where we wait for any key from the console and exit the program. So these are our comparison operators, which we will use heavily in our coding as we progress through this course. As usual, if you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share, and like the video. Please let me know in comments if you face an issue. Thanks.